So we got an 88 Prelude Si. Picked it up the other day. Decent condition. Interior is pretty much bonked. Carpets are terrible. Door panels broke off. Didn't notice that. That's broken. Center console's broke. Seats. The front seats actually, I mean, they're pretty bad. The middle part's good. This bolstering is gone though. Center console, pretty much bad. Don't know what that is. Steering wheel, no good. No good on those seats. Yeah, it's all pretty bad. I don't even think there's rubber. There's no rubber on the clutch. The center or the dash is peeling, and that's not good. See that? That's all the foam coming out. I know parts for this thing are really hard to come by, so we'll see what we can do here. This doesn't work. Aux cord, some paperwork, more paperwork. Cigarette lighter and a cigarette, totally worth it. Some sticker here. Super glue. That's probably what's keeping this whole thing together. More trash, 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 trash. Electrical tape. Good sign. None of the windows work, including the sunroof. These things are boned. I think this is missing a piece, pretty sure. There's all that old tint glue back there, which is gross. The back seats are like decent. There's a couple of holes over here. Look like someone took those cigarettes and stuck them straight through the seat. But these rear plastics are salvageable for sure. That tint glue is a problem. I can see that they were pulling apart all the plastic back here, which sucks, which means it's probably missing all the tabs and stuff. Those speakers are beautiful and OEM. That rear like carpet piece is pretty beat up. There's no light, no third brake light back there. So yeah, the carpet's actually, besides this part, it's not that bad. But I'm thinking about replacing the whole carpet. You can close this. That switch is cool. Yeah, these door panels are gonna need to be replaced completely. More trash. I mean, honestly, if I can just find bottom pieces, I'll deal with the bubbling. But it's just the bottom pieces because these doors are really heavy to push open, and they probably just kicked them off. But it runs and drives. There's no battery in it right now, so that's why I don't have it on. But it's pretty much just a walk around here. The spoiler tail light is gone. Broke clean off. Those wires are probably going to be a pain in the ass to deal with. Tail lights are in good condition. Still got the badge on there. There's a 2.5-inch MagnaFlow exhaust on here. Sounds okay, I guess. What brand are these? Concept 7. Never heard of them. Say Concept 7 on the racing. No, and then Katana Racing center caps. Concept 7 rims, Katana Racing center caps. Brakes are shot. This car's just been sitting for a while. As far as damage to the car, the body's actually pretty straight. All these like window moldings, ow, that hurt. All these window moldings, all the plastic, see, it's ripping up just like that. But I think I can just peel all that off and then vinyl wrap all that, and that'll come out really good. Door handles work, that's good. Got these little mud flap guards here, which is good because I think those would be also really hard to find. The side skirt, the side panel, really good, no damage there. It has the fender liners, which is awesome. Same thing up here. Those gotta go. Front bumper is in decent condition. Repaint it and it'll be all right. There's no fog lights, no OEM fog lights, which sucks. Right here, this is probably the only part. These two parts on the hood, which I think I can bang this out. If not, I'll have to find another hood. But this, and then this passenger side fender are the only parts that are damaged as far as body goes, which is great. It's the best part. And I'm thinking about a new hood because I really don't like these hood pins, and I don't even think there's a hood latch in the center, so I'll have to figure that out. But yep, nice mirrors. This will need to come out. I mean, the whole thing is gonna get taken apart. These are really nice washer fluid sprayers, actually. The hood is really awesome. I love it. Headlights. This one was replaced at one point, or it just got beat the hell up because I can see the paint on there, so it might be OEM, but I'm not so sure. This one's beat up a little bit. This one's perfectly fine. The motors work for that. The headlights work. I don't have brake lights. You know, like running brake lights. Don't know what the deal is there. I'll have to figure that out. But that's pretty much it. Oh, one other thing. Just go in the trunk real quick. The spoiler's in great condition again, except for the tail light on it. Let's see. Actually, this one's pretty cracked, but it's doable. There's no carpet, no plastic back here, which kind of sucks. It's rusted pretty bad. Oh look, the hood prop. I was looking for that. Sick. Free funnel. Coolant. Okay. Coolant. High mileage motor oil. It's like halfway full. Don't know what's going on here. Speaker wire. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, none of these. See, look, there's this one piece of carpet back here. And that's it. Hole going straight to the bottom of the car, which sucks. I guess the battery came factory back here, because I didn't know that. Cool. There's a strap on the other side? No. This is just wires leading to nothing. Great. Ground here. Is that connected? Yeah. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. Got the one cover here. Oh, that's what this is. Okay, good. Great. Can work with that. Awesome. Some other thing. Cool. That's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm gonna try and clean up this carpet and these seats real quick. I'm actually gonna try and clean what I can to see what can and cannot be saved, you know what I mean? So these seats are pretty torn there, here, but the middle isn't bad, like I said before. So I'll see what I can do. Maybe I can sell them. Thinking about getting new seats. Definitely new carpet, but I was messing with that over there and it looks like that's just top, like you know, whatever the hell was spilt on there is just on the top. So I'm gonna soak it and clean it all. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm gonna take these seats out real quick and then we'll try and clean it, see what we can do. work hard for my money. Alright, let's see. Alright, nice. Cool. I need an extension on there. I'm just using some glass cleaner and the rag. Si. Oh, uh-oh. Okay.
Good catch.